Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Targaye Nicole here. How you guys doing? I'm sorry there was a delay. Never mind. There was a delay. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. You know you're already a part of the Grateful Gang. If you like budgeted videos as well as following me on my journey to home ownership, then definitely consider subscribing to the channel. It is free 99. Just hit that red subscribe button. All right, guys. So today we're going to be talking about how I'm allocating my stimulus money, as well as playing our March Madness money. Boom. I actually went ahead and eliminated mine. Although y'all know that I do everything digitally, I did do this because it's like nostalgic and I can use it next March. Okay, so let's get right into it, you guys. Let me tell you right now, confession. I got this mini on, I think, Friday. First of all, my alerts aren't working. If you did not see that video about Capital One alerts, I will make sure to go ahead and what's that called? I will go ahead and link that above for you guys to check it out. It's over there. I don't know what side it is. And we're going to go ahead and I have going to tell you right now, I swiped my card because I did not allocate my money then. I should have allocated my money then, and I did not. And now we're going to see, I had a breakdown ready on a sticky about all the things that I wanted to do with my money. And now that I've spent some of it, it's not necessarily happening. Let me tell you, initially, my 1,400 was going this way. 100 to giving, 1,000 to my humble home, 200 to my humble home sinking fund, $40 to my birthday, and $40 to beauty, and I think it was $20 to play with for March Madness. Well, let's take a look at the account. And I love this new feature where I get to be a big bubble and then I get to be a small bubble. So here is my account. As you can see, there's not $1,400 left in there now. Open Sesame. All right, so it's open. So the money hit from the IRS here. Now, this is a charge that was scheduled, so that's fine. The Kroger, I ended up going to the supermarket. I feel like I bought things for something with my family. Yes, we were going to the park, and my mother asked me to buy some things for that, so I bought that. And then here is, it was with my cousin. That actually was snacks yesterday. Like, I just started swiping my card, y'all. This didn't help. It was family stuff. But I feel like I should have just taken that out of grocery. And then this, I should have taken that out of my allowance. And then this was for last week's March Madness money, I believe. Where's my note? Why aren't you showing me my things? Anyway, I'm pretty sure the 17 was, remember, we were playing dominoes and March Madness money. Then I donated. I told you I was going to do a $100 donation. It's still pending because I did that today. And there was actually a $6 to offset their processing, to help them offset the processing fee and really their processing fee, and it was a donation to MS, someone close to me. And then this was ice cream that I treated my cousin and my sister and her hubby to ice cream, but they treated us to pizza. So I'm saying, I was like, yo, I need to get in today and get my life right, because now I'm also going to be going to the supermarket, but I'm going to be using my grocery envelope because we got to stop playing, y'all. Like, legit. Because I still have $40 in groceries. I need to use that to go get. I'm making rasta pasta with my family, and I was like, I need to go get some things because it was my idea. So moving right along, let's see what we have left. 1,233.02. So I do want to go ahead and transfer some money to the house, of course, which is the main thing. So let's set up our transfer to our humble home. I don't know what's going on. I feel like freaking Capital One is having some problems today. Like, oh, okay. So from here, which is normal, to my humble home, or it could be my computer, and we're gonna send $1,000. Y'all know that's my main thing right now, saving for the deposit for my house. As you know, I'm on my journey to home ownership. So this is house savings. Boom. Our favorite thing, transfer. As long as it might take. Success. All right. So I don't even want to see what's behind there now. $233. It should update, but it's going so slow. While it's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and open up my Google Sheets, which is what I use for budgeting. Yeah, I think my computer's just slow. I don't think it's the website. It's low. Okay. I don't know if you can see my face or not, or if it's recording. Hopefully. Okay, here we are. So we're actually going to my house savings total page because every time I move money there, I need to update. And so today for me is 321, or it's for me and everyone, it's 321. And we're putting $1,000. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. Ooh, ooh, I'm about to lose control. Okay, sorry. And that's from the stimulus payment. Boom. So, you guys, will y'all see this? Do y'all see this right here? Okay. It's $9,663.47. Y'all see how close we are to be at a 5-digit number of $10,000. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So let me go to my humble home, which does not update until I go in there. I don't know. My computer is running rather slow. I'm not even sure if I pressed it. Can I see my account? Anyone? Okay, let's try this button. I'm going to press too many buttons and it's going to get stuck. Okay, hold on. Okay, so 9,663.47. 9,663.47. Hey. Oh, I can't do that. This arm hurts. I got my COVID shot. Jesus. Okay, but excited about that. So that's been done. Now all we have is $233 in our regular account. $233. I wish it said that because it doesn't. Come on. Let's go. Okay, we have $233.02 left. So what I'm going to do is there's still $4 that needs to come out for my HP Insta Ink and $200 that I want to take out and stuff in my Humble Home binder. So we're going to play, I was just to stay on the safe side, we're going to play with $20 for March Madness, okay? So let's just go ahead and we're not going to make it complicated. We're just going back to good old Alexa and ask her to pick a number. All right, let's do that. Alexa, please pick a number from 1 to 25.
Here's a number between 1 and 25. It's 7.
Okay. We only got to move $7. Okay. She was this time I actually wanted her to pick a higher number. Alexa. So what I'm going to do, Alexa, pick a number from 1 to 25.
I don't know that.
You just did that. Alexa, pick a random number from 1 to 25.
Here's a number between 1 and 25. It's 21.
Now she picks the highest number, right? Like, I'm like, you can just pick a happy medium. This is what I get. I asked for too much, y'all. So anyway, if you're playing along with me, you can either pick 7. Is that what she said? 7? I don't even remember what she said, y'all. I think she said 7. Run the tape back. If you don't know, I don't remember what she said. And then she said 21. So I'm gonna do 21 because we feeling bossy right now, okay? We got $25, we using 25. We're gonna do it. So I'm gonna send it to my, I don't know where it's at. No, that's not it. My March Madness and trying to do it real wait, I'm gonna do it real quick. Well, y'all can already see what I want. And that is going to be $21 to March Madness. And this is March Madness Money Week 3. We almost there, y'all. Got like one more week of this, I think. Do we have one more week? Please don't be 5 weeks, because I ain't got this kind of money. Yeah, we have one more Saturday, the 28th. Okay, cool. So success. We have done it, you guys. Thank you so much, Miss Alexa. Now we only have 200 and I don't know how many dollars that is left. $212.02. So we really technically have $12.02 of buffer, which 4 of that is about to go to my Insta Ink. So we're really working with $8 of buffer right now. And I'm going to take $200 out and we're going to stuff our Humble Home sinking binders on another video. I don't know where I went on the other page, but that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed me and Alexa today. We always fight in. Now, if you're bossy, you can take that 21 and multiply it by 2 or 3 and put that amount away. You could put 20 away. You could put 1 away. You could put 7 away. You could take 7 and multiply that by 2, because that's actually what I was going to do and just put $14 away. But I was feeling a little like I need to do a little bit more. Okay. All right. And if you guys don't know, I'm trying to save my money to top off my Amazon sinking fund. It needs to have $120 in it. So if I could completely finish it by the end of March with this money savings challenge, I would be super excited. But let me know how you're doing along with your March Madness money. Wait, I forgot I could do this right here. Wait a minute. Let me know how you're doing with your March Madness money challenge. Let me know if it's good, it's great. It's not so good. You're doing the best you can. If you're putting anything aside, y'all, you're doing amazing. At the end of the month, I do want to know your totals so you can share them with me. But that's about it. That's all we have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. You guys have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, faith over fear this year. I mean, not just this year, but forever, forever, ever.